Hello, welcome to day 10. It's another beautiful day that we have reached. I really thank God that I'm here today. And you remember yesterday I said we're going to finalize today, but I got a lot of other questions on the day 9 that are saying that no, we haven't seen this and this and this. So because of that, I have extended it to 12 days. So I'll cover something today. We're going to do something again together in 2 other days before we complete HTML. So let's go to code. Let's go to code. Let's go to code. Mhm. So on code, today we are dealing with a few other more things. One of the things that we're going to deal with is the common structure. We need to have the structure, which is not showing, and that's interesting. So now we are there. Good. Interesting. All right. So the first will be the structure, where we're going to look at a couple of other key, very important elements, but they mostly make sense when you are using, you start adding some styles and the CSS on them. But we are going to look at them and we should know them beforehand. Okay. So other key. So there's a couple of them. There's a couple of them that we need to look. One is nav. This is used to create a navigation uh, of different where you go from different pages. So if you look, a lot of every website has a navigation somewhere telling you that you come from here, you go here, you go here. You remember when I was doing the link? Yeah. So there is a specific tag that deals with that particular process, which is called Navi. Assist you to navigate from page to page easily and in a certain way that you prefer. But it depends mostly on the CSS so that it can look exactly the way you want. And one more thing, before I even jump to nav, we have to look at two things. There is header and there is a footer. So this header mostly is the header is not is different from head. Header is a section within the web page that holds navigation, log of the company whatsoever or website, and also the name of the website. So at the top level, that's where you find the name, the logo, the links, and also if there is a search space. So always remember this and follow the standard by putting your navigation in header. So now I can put navigation there. And the next is you're going to be using a lot of oil inside here, then lists, lists, lists. So you have home, you have service, and you have about. Okay. So as you can see, they look like that. Is not our stress now. We'll see when we relate to the CSS how to make it look exactly the way almost a website look. But that is the main part of it. So on the header, that's the key. On the footer, footer is a section of the website that's it's the last part of the page which keeps the information about the list of the website, the other links that are necessary, but also the copyright and the like. So you will use them according to you'll be needing this particular tag in all your coding. So you might have your created by you. So all these tags, they depend mostly on CSS to make much sense, but they have a very, very, very good use. And it's a very good behavior to keep that in mind. But there's another tag that I didn't touch. I didn't touch a couple of them actually. I didn't talk about section. Section is another tag that is helping to divide your page according to the relation of the content that you are trying to present. So you have something you want to grab, you have some information, you want to them to be in a certain specific area. The now section allow your code to be readable to do that particular thing. It carries, it gives like demarcation that okay, these things here we are going to put this and this, and also all of this they are creating, they have a new line. So when you put a section, whatever I'm going to put below here, they are going to go in another line. If I write anything here, it will be outside, they will not be connected uh, in any way. All right, so that's a section. But this comes to be useful as we go forward. And another one that I should talk about is div. It's so much used. You can't use paragraph to divide your section, no, or your part. You use things like div section to make sure that you say, okay, I want to put some paragraph inside here, some things inside here, but before you do that, you divide those parts by using div tag. And yeah. I'm a little bit going fast. Yeah, I can feel it, but much that there's no much that I think we can spend on this if we are not using CSS in real life. However, they are very important. We are going to use them all the time as we go forward. Div is almost a main part. Some people they don't even use section. Very few people use section. But another one which I should also mention is article. Article is another tag that is used to specify or to carry little bit detailed information like articles, blog posts, comments. So they have created this tag specifically for that particular work to keep information which, how can I say, information which is, no, yeah, information and the details in that particular context. I think I'm not even getting what I'm saying very clearly. But the main thing is article tag help you to keep a lot of other detailed information that you want to present as an article, because there is even a way to target articles specifically for when you are doing kind of printing and the like. Yeah, so these are the parts that I thought we should, or tags that I thought we should look at and be able to familiarize. So all these tags you can throw inside paragraph, you can throw inside head, you can throw inside link, you can throw image, uh, you can throw inside lists. So it's really up to you on what you want to do inside there. But if you can see now, what we started with, they are more specifically direct to the content comparing to this, which are dealing mostly on the way you organize your content within the page. You want to go, because as we are going to the organization now of the content inside the page, because we know we can create a paragraph, we can create a header, we can create a link and image. But if there's no good way of organizing this particular material, it's not going to look so good. That's why we now start to look at this, to be familiarized with this, so that as we go forward, we'll be able to do that in a bestie way. Good. I think with this lesson, this will be the part that I cross, so that I can now start doing few examples of HTML website. This will be a website that is made by only HTML and without any CSS at all. And we see what we can do and how we can present our content. Thank you very much for being with me on this day. It's not going to be easier. It's going to be interesting, beautiful, but a very good journey to learn together. Until next time, my brother, my sister. Bye. Bye. They say if you're saying bye, you should look at us. Okay. Bye, my friend.